here I am showing my classroom. In my classroom we have 7th A one class here. This is only sample. So I have taken the 7th A now, 7th A section, and I am going to the classwork. I want to make one assignment here. Here you can take here create one assignment means I am now conducting a test. So assignment, and you can take here, this is a title. What is the title you can take here? Here sample test, sample test, sample test. So sample test we are conducting here. This is sample test we are conducting. Here some instructions. Keep cameras, keep cameras at your writing place, okay. So add, what I am adding here, one question paper I am adding here. Question paper I am uploading to the students from my teacher portal, from teacher classroom. I am sending a question paper to the students. I am sending a sample test for 7th class. Okay, sample test for 7th class PDF file I am sending to the uploaded. I am uploading here. This is reaching to the students. So it is not now. Whenever I am here right side, some here see 7th A all students, SN is there, no? SN here, SN is there, no? SN to a 7th A students, all students. So this will be go to the 7th A all students, they will get the question paper. Okay, now I will go and check with the student. Okay, this is my teacher's portal, no? That side I will go as a student. Okay, wait. Now this is called the student side. This is student mail ID. Now this is 7th year student. 7th year student stream. Here stream is there, classwork is there, people is there. Now stream, what he have in the stream, just we can see view all. This is student side. So what he got here, any assignments, any questions are there? Yes, sample test is there. Here one sample test is there. So sample test. So here he will go to the classwork. He will go to the class 7th A. He will go to the classwork and he will see what teacher assigned to you. What teacher assigned to the student. So sample test here. Here this is a sample test. You just click it. Student clicking this one. So he got the question paper here. Here he got the question paper. Now he has to write the assignment. Okay, this is the assignment. This is whenever you are clicking on here, see, whenever you are clicking here view assignment, student will click on view assignment, then this will open. Now the student will download this one, the sample test what we have conducted, what he has sent the question paper to the student. Then and there he will see the question paper. After that he will write the exam. Now student will write the exam on 2 papers. The 2 papers he will upload to his mail ID. Some people will write the exam and they will scan and they will directly make as a PDF file. And those who are not having the scanning facility, they will do taking photo images, and they will send to their own mail, and they will download the 2 images and they will make one PDF file, and that PDF file will upload. Just see some documentation I have given sample, just go through it. After that, after the exam, you got the 2 mails here, your answer sheets, images you got. that images you can download it, this one, and another image, this one. So two images you have uploaded in your email. One document you can take, new document, and just remove this one, whatever the things are there. Just paste the document here what you have written. Okay, so next you can take one more image here. This image you can take and you can paste here. Okay, you can paste here. So you got this is your answers. Whatever the test you have written, that answers are this one. This is your Word document. The images you are pasted on the Word document, and you are taking a save as PDF or XPS PDF file. And answers name what? Sandeep, for example. Answers of Sandeep. Example, you kept like this. Student will keep his answer sheet at the desktop. This is Sandeep, one student I have taken as example. Here Sandeep is a student, he kept his PDF file here, his answers of Sandeep. Now that one he will upload here. So here your work is there, no? Your work. Here add. Here add is there, no? Add or create. Google Drive link and file is there. This file. So that file will be opened here, and upload and select the file from the device, and he will take the answer script, Sandeep answer script from the PDF file, and he will upload it. Here upload is there, na? Answer script. He is uploading to whom? He is uploading to the teacher only. He is returning, he is uploading, he is turn in. What he did? Turn in. What he is doing? Turn in means what? Turn to the teacher side. Turn in, that means what? Turn in means he is submitting his answer script to the concerned teacher. Now yes, it went to the teacher side. Okay, first he got the question paper from the teacher through the classwork block, and from the classwork he has taken the sample test of the question paper, and after writing the test he made it as a PDF file, and he worked that and he uploaded. Now turn in means turn to the teacher side. He is uploading the document to the teacher side, and teacher has received. Now we can go and check with the teacher side how the teacher is receiving the student's document. Seeing the teacher's side, teacher's mail, and teacher also reached the classroom, and he is checking that 7th year student anyone submitted the answer scripts or not. Now view all. Now he is seeing the view all. Now see here sample test 7th A, one answer script turned in. What is the meaning of turned in? That means one student submitted the answer script successfully. Now we are opening, and now we are checking that what he submitted answer script. We are trying to do the evaluation work now. So now see, this is the PDF file, and now this is the PDF file. How to do the correction? I will give the demo. Here this is the file. First question he answered that correct the whole number 87.46. The answer is 87. Okay, now this one we can take here. See here plus symbol, you can just take the plus symbol here, and plus symbol you can just do the comment. What is the meaning of plus symbol? See, 87 is there. 87 is there. The plus symbol here saying that comment you can write 87 correct. And what is the 2 marks here? 2 marks. 2 marks. Now you have written here 2 marks and you are commented. You sent the comment. Comment means remark. You sent the remark. And another answer also 60. Just see 66. Again you can take the plus symbol and you can write here comment 66. So O number 66 correct. Awarded 2 marks again. Awarded 2 marks. Comment. Next here 71. 71 wrong answer. So here this is wrong answer. 71.5, 71 wrong. Here you are commenting wrong. No marks. No marking. No marks here. Comment. Now here you are going to the next question, that is 98.5. You are seeing 98.5. Correct the whole number 99. So plus symbol you can take here comment. Plus means what? Highlighting the answer. Highlighting answer. Correct. 2 marks. 2 marks. You can write 2 also. That is not an issue. Comment. And next you are checking the second 2 bits. Any here 4 questions over now. Here any one you can write, but he attempted the 2. So 6.342 correct to the 2 decimal places. 6.342 correct to the 3 decimal places. Now what he written? 6.34. Okay, correct to the 2 decimal places. Correct. 2 marks. Next here comment. Next another one what? Now you can go to the next one. This is extra, you can think. So 8.134 he corrected. 8.135 correct answer, but extra no. So you just say this is extra, right? But it is extra. What he said correct. Actually wait. Here see, here correct to the 3 decimal places. Correct all na? Correct to the 3 decimal places. Correct only. Okay. 8.135 correct to the 3 decimal places. 8.135. Okay, this is correct answer. Extra you wrote. So extra. Next this is comment. Okay, next here this is correct only na? 2 decimal places. Okay, everything correct. 6.342 correct to the 2 decimal places. 6.34 correct only. So now you evaluated. So now return. Now you can return to whom? Here return means what? It will go to the okay, here you can write the marks also. You can write the marks. Grade means what? Marks here. So how many marks you got? 2 marks, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 marks he got. Actually this exam is conducted for 10 marks only. I forgot to arrange the marks there. So 8 marks. So otherwise you can write 80 for this, because 100 no. So 80 marks. So you can think like that. This is conducted for 100. Okay, 80 marks he got. So grading is 80. So now you can return the answer script to the concerned student. Return. Okay, now how the student is receiving the answer script, now I will tell you. I will go to the student side and I will check. Here one important thing is, whenever the teacher sending the evaluated answer script, after returning the answer script, after evaluation, sending the answer script to the student, immediately the student will get the mail. Your answer script graded, sample test by the teacher, you got 80 marks out of 100. The student will get the notification immediately. He will send the, he will get the mail here. Now he will see, open. He will come to the classroom. Directly if he go to the classroom also same thing only. He will go to the classroom also, he will get like this only. I will show that also. He will go and see, this is the classroom. Again he will go to the classroom also. He will go to the classroom also. He will see the same thing. What he got the notification. Here see, after evaluation of the teacher, view all and graded, he will get the graded. Yes, 80 marks he got. 80 marks he got. Sample test and one here attachment is there na. This attachment is very important. This attachment sent by whom? Sent by the concerned teacher. Now he will open and see how he performed. Now see, this is the answer script which evaluated by the subject teacher. This is the answer script which evaluated by the subject teacher. Now here comments you are not seeing, just only highlighted things are seeing na. Now I will show the comments also. See here last 3 dots are there, no? That 3 dots. Focus at the 3 dots. Now just see the 3 dots. Details are there, details you can type, you can just click on details. Now here details, comments are there, comments. Now you will see the comments here, and you can just come to the down to up. That means this is the first highlighted mark. This is correct 2 marks, correct 2 marks, wrong no mark, 2 marks, 2 marks, extra you have written. So like this comments you will get. So this is the evaluation work to be done by the teacher on screen only. There is no any downloading and doing our hard copy correction. This is very technical work, we can do it. This is risk job only, but starting it is very risk, but slowly we will improve. Thank you.